Okay, if you are sick of going to the nail salon to get beautiful gel nails, then this is the perfect at-home kit for you. This is the gel nail kit from SUNUV. Comes with your UV lamp here, all of your tools that you might need, and then a ton of color options as well as your base and top coats in here. So in your little bag, goodie bag that you get these for your toesies. Obviously, we've got a nail file, we've got a buffer, we've also got, you know, your extra clippers, the original style clippers, and we've got cuticle file, some extra bits and pieces, and a little brush here as well, just to make sure that you can get the shape and the look of the nails that you want before applying your color. So we'll pop all these back in, and I'll show you all the different colors that this kit comes with. Let's actually open up. Let's show you, because there are a few sparkly ones on here. So I'll show you the sparkly ones. Check that out. So cool. I am in love with this. This is number 675. It's sort of like a dusty pink sparkly. So good. I'm currently wearing number 63 on my blue nails here, and it has lasted a good long while, which is great. And then we've got the UV lamp under here as well. So it is pressure activated, as you can see. So I can just put my hand in here. I've got it on the 90-second setting. There's 10, 30, 60, and 90 seconds as well. So you simply just put your hand in, and it'll light it up, get that UV light going on your nail so that it is nice and looking good on your hands. Honestly, this is such a great at-home kit. Cannot recommend it enough, because I honestly hate going to the nail salon, sitting there for ages waiting for someone to do my nails. So I can just do this at home, which is perfect. So highly recommend this kit from SUNUV. Definitely go check it out.